here. So what is this? Okay. See the reaction? Start to react because you adding the acid into the baking soda. So imagine that your ingredient have lemon, you have vinegar. For example, you make the red velvet cake. So inside the mixture will be like this. Start to react immediately. Okay. So next, what is the reaction of baking powder?
Is it more subtle?
Yes. More gas compared to the baking soda. And then more stable. See? See this?
More what is that?
More stable.
More stable.
More white and more stable.
More white and more stable.
Okay. Right. So next is what? Reaction